Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video you will see how to implement Azure DNS. In this lesson, we will review DNS domains, zones, record types, and resolution methods. In the Azure DNS, we will cover the delegation, metrics, alerts, and DNS hosting schemes as well. So to start with, let's see what Azure DNS Basics are. So let me just log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. In here, click on under all services. You can go here, you can click on all services. Search for DNS zones. Click on here. Now, if you'll see there is no DNS zone hosted, click on add. It will give you an option to create a DNS zone. Give you a subscription, your resource group. Select this. Name. Look for the name. Implement Azure DNS.com. Click on next. Review and create. Click on create. It's submitting the deployment. It will come up in few seconds. I'm going to pause the video and come back. Okay, it says that zone azuredns.com is not available. Click here for details. So it's already with someone else. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go back to all services. I'm going to click on DNS zones again. I'm going to click on add. I'm going to select my resource group. I'm going to do this, azurelocal.com, review create, and I'm going to click on create. Let's see how does this goes. It says my deployment is completed. I'm going to click on go to resource. Okay, in here I can manage the DNS records and record sets by using the Azure portal. So let's say you want to add a new record set. So this is the zone I am in. I'm going to click on this plus record set. So each DNS zone is its own resource, and information such as number of record sets and name servers are viewable from this view. So if you will click on record set, enter test record. Okay, type it. It's a record type. Alias for this record set, go to no. TTL would be for 1 hour. Let's keep it default, and let's say you enter the IP address as 1.2.3.4. Click on OK. So you're adding a record into your DNS zone which you created on Azure, which is azurelocal.com. Let's say if you want to update a record, so this is the record that you created. You can click on it, or any existing record that is already created in your DNS zone that you are hosting on Azure DNS. And if you want to update it, let's say you want to change the entry, you can click in here and you can type in 4.3.2.1. You can click on save, and it has saved your record set. You can go back to your zone, and you would see that this, if you will refresh it, now it has changed to 4.3.2.1. If you want to remove a record from a record set, just click on here, go to the record set, click on delete, select yes, and it will delete your record set. Go back to your zone, refresh, that is done. Now if you want to work with name server or start of authority records, name servers and start of authority records that are automatically created are managed differently from other records type. If you want to modify start of authority records, you cannot add or remove records from the automatically created SOA record, aka start of authority records, at the zone apex. Apex is like at the name of the records which starts with at, it's the apex, it's the zone apex for that zone. However, you can modify any of the parameters within the SOA record except the host and the record set TTL. If you modify the NS records at the zone apex, the name server records set at the zone apex is automatically created. It contains the names of the Azure DNS name servers assigned to that zone. So this one, these are the name servers that are able to resolve this asserlocal.com from the internet through these name servers. So if I go to my command prompt and if I want to ping asserlocal.com, this cannot be found because there is no, I'm not able to resolve it. Probably it has not propagated, but it will. If it has to be propagated, then these name servers are responsible to do the name resolution for it. And you cannot remove or modify the pre-populated Azure DNS name servers. This applies only to the name server record at the zone apex. And other name server records that you will send, you will set in your zone can be modified. And if you want to delete the start of authority records and name server record sets, you cannot delete them at the zone FX level that are automatically created. And that will these are automatically created when you will delete a zone. Let's say I want to delete this zone. Like I click on delete zone. I will get a message to select the name. I would select asserlocal.com. I'm going to click on delete. It will delete this zone, and then it would delete the automatically created name servers records and everything else as well. I hope this was informative to all of you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.